Hey everybody, welcome to this video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you two ways in which you can register for the Christ Church of Atlanta Sunday services. The first way is through email. Each week you will be sent an email with two registration links, and we'll open up your email and you'll see a Sunday service registration and the date of the Sunday service. You'll open that up, and inside the email you'll see two links or two buttons. The first, the red one, is an RSVP or registration link, and the second is an Atlanta International School health screening survey. The first link you can fill out immediately if you plan on attending the Sunday service. The second link, the International Schools Health Screening Survey, this link needs to be completed within 24 hours of the service. So you can't fill this out in advance. You can fill this out anytime after Saturday morning, but you cannot fill it out prior. They need it done within 24 hours, and I'll walk you through that process in a second. But let's start with the registration link. So you'll click that. You'll be taken to a website for registration, and here you're going to fill out your first name, your last name, and then there's a question: are you a parent or guardian of the person registering? And in this case I am not, so I'll click no. But let's say you're a parent, and I am, so let's say I wanted to register my son Jude. I would put his name there, I'd click yes, and another line will pop down, and I would put my name here. And then I would fill out the rest of the survey, but let's click no for now. All right, after I've put my name in and answered the parent or guardian question, I'll go to email and I'll type my email in here. And then I'll be asked to put my number in. All right. Then you're going to scroll down here at the bottom and you'll see this button which says next. Click next, and you'll be taken to another page which is a COVID-19 waiver. Now I encourage you to read over this in detail, but for our purposes we're going to scroll down and you'll see a little button here that says I affirm that none of the above statements apply to me and I am eligible to attend public worship at CCA. So we'll click I affirm. Scroll down again and you'll see a square rectangular box here, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your mouse, holding down your left button, you're going to do your best to write your signature. It doesn't have to be perfect, just do your best. And then please verify that you are a human, not a robot. Click that, and then you'll see down here, you'll see the submit button. Click that, and you have registered for a Sunday service. Now at this point you'll be taken to a thank you page. If you are registering on a Saturday, you can immediately click here and this will take you to the Atlanta International School health screening page. If you need to go back, if you're registering early and you need to go back to this page on Saturday or Sunday morning prior to the service, simply go back to that original email that I told you about and you'll click the green button. It'll take you to the same exact health screening page. And just as before, you're going to fill in all of the information: your email address, your first name, your last name, where it says what role best describes you or the individual you are submitting this form for. Just click other and then type in Christ Church of Atlanta. Okay, you'll be asked some questions. Do you currently have any of the following symptoms? Read through those. I do not, so I'll click no. Do any of the following situations apply to you? No, they do not. Read through those. Have you taken any medication to reduce your fever in the past 24 hours? I have not. Then you click the terms and you would hit submit. At this point, another email will be sent to you from the international school, okay? And right here we have my wellness screening response. Okay, very quick. All right, and you see here, Dear Chase, thank you for filling out our wellness screening form. Chase is cleared to be on AIS campus because you answered no to all the questions, okay? Now, at this point, you have two options. You can either print this out or simply show this email to Atlanta International School staff when you step on campus. Either way, you need proof of this email, so either printed or on your smartphone when you come on campus. Atlanta International School will be looking for this email from everybody who comes on to their campus. So please have this email. You're not going to get a confirmation for registering for the Christ Church links. Once you've submitted and you see that thank you page, just know that you're registered for the Sunday morning 8:30 a.m. service. The second way you can register is to go onto our website, christchurchatl.org. And if you scroll down past that first banner there, you'll see I've added 2 buttons to our homepage. Click here to register for the Sunday service, and again, that Atlanta International School Health Screening Survey. I wish I could have put all of this together, but we wanted to allow you to register in advance. That way we know how many parishioners we can anticipate attending a service. Also, Atlanta International School limits the amount of parishioners we're allowed to have on campus. So once we reach that capacity, we're going to have to then add an additional service. And so we'll need to change the service time for those parishioners that want to register. So once we get past 50 registrations, we'll have to add a 10:30 service in order for more people to attend. So they have to be done separately. You can do this first registration link in advance every week. The second one, this health screening, needs to be done within 24 hours. Now, if you have any further questions, please feel free to email me at ccampbell@christchurchatl.org, or you can give me a call or send me a text at 850-567-2528. I'll be glad to walk you through any of this and answer any questions that you might have. Well, I look forward to seeing you all very soon. If not in person, at least we'll see each other online. Thank you so much, and God bless.